Have you ever wondered if there is a way to make someone think about you constantly, in a healthy and positive way? Today, we are going to dive into a fascinating topic that involves the mind, energy, and the power of intention. If you want to learn how to subtly, yet powerfully, influence someone's thoughts without manipulation or negative practices, stay until the end of this video. We will explore techniques that strengthen your mental, spiritual, and physical health, aligning with the purpose of the Motivation You Need channel. First, we need to understand that everything is energy. Your thoughts, emotions, and everything you project into the world carry an energetic charge. When you intensely think about someone and genuinely want that person to feel your presence, you are sending out a vibration that can be perceived by them on subtle levels. Quantum physics and studies on energetic resonance show that human intentions have the power to influence not only the environment, but also other people. This is known as the phenomenon of interconnectedness. The key to making someone think about you constantly lies in your ability to direct energy consciously and intentionally. The first step is to focus on your own vibration. If you are in a state of stress, anxiety, or obsession, the energy you emit will be dense and repelling. On the other hand, when you are at peace with a high and positive vibration, that energy becomes attractive and naturally magnetizes the other person. This is why taking care of your mental and emotional health is essential. A powerful technique you can start practicing is creative visualization. Find a quiet place where you can relax and close your eyes. Visualize the person in question smiling and feeling good when they think of you. Imagine a golden light, symbolizing your energy, connecting you to this person. Feel this light flowing smoothly and positively. This practice sends a clear message to their subconscious, evoking memories and feelings that make them think of you spontaneously. The secret here is the intention. It must be genuine and free from any desire for manipulation. Another important aspect is the law of detachment. This means that after sending your intention and energy, you need to release that expectation. The more you cling to the idea that someone must think about you, the more anxious and frustrated you become, creating energetic resistance. Detachment is essential to maintain mental balance and allow the universe to do its part. Trust that your energy is already in motion and that results will come in due time. Focused meditation on connection is another tool that can amplify your presence in someone's mind. During meditation, concentrate on the energy you wish to emit. Imagine sending waves of love, care, and good intentions. The more you practice this meditation, the more your subconscious associates this energy with the person in question. This creates an energetic bridge between you, which can be felt on subconscious levels. This practice not only benefits your connection with others, but also strengthens your emotional state and reduces stress. Gratitude is another element that enhances any practice of energetic attraction. When you feel gratitude for the person's presence in your life, even if just mentally, it creates an energetic field that attracts more of that connection. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency and reinforces the positivity of your intentions. A simple practice is to list 3 things you are grateful for about the person before bedtime. This keeps your mind tuned into a frequency of love rather than lack or obsession. Additionally, taking care of your physical well-being plays an important role. Our body is an extension of our energetic field. Practices such as physical exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep help maintain your vital energy at its peak. When you are physically well, your mind works better and your emotions stabilize, enhancing your ability to send positive energy and impact another person's subconscious. Mental, physical, and spiritual health go hand in hand and are essential for maintaining harmony and balance in all your manifestation practices. Remember that the intention to make someone think about you constantly should come from a place of kindness and respect. Pure intentions create healthy bonds and strengthen connections. Avoid any practice that aims to manipulate or cause discomfort to the other, as this creates a negative energetic cycle that can impact your emotional and spiritual health. The universe always responds to the frequency you emit, so keep your intentions aligned with love, understanding, and positivity. If you feel unsure or think these practices are not having an immediate effect, remember that the human mind and energy are complex. Patience is an important virtue in this process. Keep taking care of yourself, maintaining your mind and spirit elevated. Self-compassion and self-love practices also help nurture your confidence and self-sufficiency. The more you take care of yourself, the more attractive and magnetic you become to others because you radiate an energy of completeness and security. Share in the comments if you have tried any of these practices or if you have any experiences to share. Here at Motivation You Need, we believe that true power lies in aligning the mind, body, and spirit to achieve a fuller and more meaningful life. If this video resonated with you, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Until next time, and keep moving forward.